I am here today. I wanted to show you how to access the MAREI Member Library. From time to time, we will have jump drives at the MAREI meeting that we hand out to our members. But really and truly, you're going to lose a jump drive. So we want to show you how to actually access all of this online. So you log into mareimember.com. We've already shown you how to do that. And you go to your My Dashboard, which is where I am. We want to go to My Account and click Free Stuff for Members. And this is the library. So what are you going to find here? You'll find a start here that gives you a good idea of what to do first, second, third. So getting the most out of your MAREI membership, this gives you the links to all of our access of resources. So social media, YouTube, all the links to things here on the pages. Go through that. If you're a new investor, where do I start? What do I do first? I would go through that one. Be sure to read our code of ethics. And if you want to invite a friend, you can always download a guest pass and give it to them. Or if you're at the meeting, pick up some already pre-printed guest passes so you can hand those out to friends. If you need books to read, we have a few here. We have laws, rules, and regulations around landlord-tenant law, around, let's just open that up and see what we got. Landlord-tenant law, EPA on mold, local groups, lead paint, and state law. So check those out. Logos, if you wanted to put your logo, the MAREI logo on your website that you're a member of MAREI, this is where our current logos are. If you need forms and documents, what do we have here? Keeps wanting me to accept everything. So I have a lot of different documents. But if we come down here to forms and documents, this form, this gives you a rundown of all different kinds of forms and contracts. And if we're lucky, all these links work. For housing providers, we have a lot of documents that come from Julie Anderson. This is her website. You can find a lot more on her website. You can also purchase her complete contracts, a lease document package. What she has a package for Kansas and a package for Missouri. She's also done a great eviction workshop that runs through the rules and regulations. And if you're a wholesaler, I would be sure to watch her wholesale replay. Mid-America Crime Free is not currently any longer in existence, so we need to take that off of there. You can find more about Fannie Mae legal documents and then all these journal forms and documents that we have. You can access all of those as well. Now note that you can't really edit this, but you can click this download button here to download it to your computer. So that's forms and documents. We have a couple of spreadsheets. We have business plans. We have information on working with contractors. We have a brand new benefit for members. This is Life and Air. I'm going to click on that so you can see what this is. Life and Air is a way of living. They have a 3-day business builder retreat that helps you, not business builder, they have a 3-day get a life getaway that helps you figure out how you want to put your life together so that you can live the dream, the reason why you became a real estate investor or an entrepreneur. And then they have a 3-day business builder event. I just attended that last week. It was awesome. Helps you figure out how to build a business that will help you get to your life goals. And if you've already got a business, it will help you rearrange it and improve it. But there's a few other things you get. You get the book for free. Let's see if we click on this button and see what we get. It goes through everything you get for free. You get 2 tickets for the Get a Life for you and a spouse, 2 tickets to the Business Builder. Those are each held 3 times a year. 2 are in person and 1 is virtual. You can get a digital copy of the Life and Air book. It's a quick read. The SEAD process for helping strategically eliminate things you don't need, automate things that you can, and delegate the stuff that you should not be doing. They also have a Get a Life Getaway home study, and they have a lot more. So log in and click on the button and register so that you can get all of those benefits. and then you will get a username and password for them. Then you can register for the events for free. What else do we have? We have information on federal fair housing. We did a marketing yourself course during COVID and an intro to wholesaling course during COVID. A lot of these are free sources online, so they might have a few gaps. We have also managing rental property. A lot of that was from training that we have from the Sirios brothers. And Crossroads Investment Lending also have a great home walkthrough video series. And this is where you're going to find gold. We have been recording MAREI meetings going back to 2019, and you can access all of them right here. So that is the MAREI Member Library. Log in and check it out today.